Hey everyone, what's up? This is Farm Toy Freak. I'm out here today and it is a cold, nasty day. Just ice everywhere. And I'm getting ready to start the Bobcat for you, and look how icy she is. Just ice coating everywhere. It's nasty out here. And I'm standing on pure ice. And Explorer's got ice. The poor little Ford's got ice. I mean, everywhere. Ice, ice, ice. So, this will be a cold start. I don't know how cold it is. Probably around 30 degrees, I'd say. And we're going to do a cold start to the Bobcat. Uh-oh. My ass protection is kind of froze over. Right? Oh, it's cracked. I sat down. Alright, here we go. She's going to need choke. Tell you that for sure. My hands are getting cold already. Throttle's about froze. It was kind of stiff. Okay, let's see what she does. She's cranking, but she don't want to start. Oh! I gotta be careful, it's icy. Steaming off the engine. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned for my videos. Thanks for watching. Later.